So in the last class we have discussed about up to where we have discussed if that's known as if else if ladder and if work for only true condition, whereas to explain the next one is what is this? If and only if. If and only if means it contains only if statement, no else. You can take any number of if, but you're not supposed to use the else. Okay. Now if I'm going to take if, take the marks is greater than 90, I'm going to write statement system of println excellent. Okay, now I'm not going to write the else. Again I'm going to write if marks is greater than, if it is less than 70, less than 90 means I will write, I'm writing this condition randomly. Don't think that that is excellent. If it is less than name, it's not excellent. Simply for the explanation I'm taking system out dot println println not good. Either consider so for explanation about it. Here you are going to write only if no else. Okay, the compiler I will explain if and if okay. Now as usual I'm going to clear that class. Next, public static void main. I hope you can see the screen. Yes, that is the normal basic structure of any Java program. Got it? Now I will take mark. Okay, you can use the scanner class. Means you take the input in the output screen. As of now, I'm not taking the input, direct initialization. Okay, if marks is, if your marks is greater than 90 and what is this and symbol? Logical and. We have discussed logical and greater than is the relational operator. And marks is less than or equal to 100. Println. Wow. Another one in 90 and 100. Wow, right? Now I'm going to write another one if statement. What is error system? Shit. Now right, there is no else. If and only if, no else. If marks is 80 and less than 90, less than or equal to 90, 90 score ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ that is take excellent. Okay, I'm going to use the string. Next I'm going to take if your marks is greater than 70 and less than or equal to 80, ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ you can take good. Now if I'm to take your marks is less than, I'm going to take only one area. Now I'm not going to use the condition. If it is less than 70 bandre, I'm going to take average. AVRAG average. Click on the component. So you get no syntax error. I'm going to minimize. Next. No, so okay. Is that 80? 80 is comes under which block? Which if block? It is equal to 80. It is 81 ಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ and it will not come here. It will come here. Is that good, right? We can check. There is the output screen, terminal window. It will come in the good. 5. Okay. So where it is going to print and the first block only. It is going to tell it's a wow. Wow, right? So what is the meaning of if and only if means we are not supposed to use else. We are writing multiple if which block is executed, sorry, which block is condition is true, that statement is executed. ಯಾವುದು ನೀವು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is not going to execute any block. It is nested if. What do you mean by nested if? Nested for so many, this is a technical word. Nested means we are writing the if statement within the another if statement, that is known as if within the if. I'm going to write Example, now proper example is to find out largest of three numbers or smallest of three numbers. Okay, example, I'm going to take A value is 2, B is 3, and C is 1. 2, 3, 1. Now, among these, which is the highest value? B, right? Manually we can tell. How we can write on the Java program? Example, if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, then you're going to print which one is the highest value? A. If B is B A ginta jasti, B C ginta jasti, B is greater than, and vice versa C is greater than A. That we can write. If you're going to write the condition, right? In that you're going to write the another if, and you're going to write the condition, and you're going to write the statement here and this statement. You see, this is the if statement, and this is inside the if, and the next if. And next you can write on the have taken statement 1 and statement 2. So here, which statement is executed first? So which is the inner loop, not loop. This is inner statement. This inner if is going to execute first, next outer is going to execute first. Okay. Now I'm going to take here also no else. If nested if means if statement within the another if. Now I'm going to take one simple example. So many programs here did that. You can execute this program. If nested if there is that public class nested underscore if, and next is public static void static. It is coming spelling mistake. Speed up. Void main string. Yes. Function. It should be capital, right? Okay. Now I'm going to take int A is 5, B is 2, and C is, I will take 1. I will take any value you can take. Now, if I'm going to write, what is that? Nested if, right? If statement with it. If A is greater than B, next I'm going to write another if B is greater than B is, sorry, A is greater than C, then I'm going to write what you're going to write, which is the highest value. System out dot println. System out dot println. A is larger than B and C, right? Now you can run it. So now A value is greater than 5 is greater than 2, true. Where 5 is greater than C, no. Now you can check what it is going to do. What is the output it is coming? If it work for only, as we know, true condition in the first if. Now I'm going to execute. Either example in that you can understand. If I'm going to change the value here 9. Now A is greater than 9 is greater than 7 and 9 is greater than 2 also. And now you can run. So what is the output again? What it is going to print? A is larger than B and C. Why it is coming now? If the condition is true, it is going to execute the statement. What is the meaning of nested if? Means we are going to write if statement within the another if statement. Got it? So we have discussed if else, if and only if, and nested if, right? Now we can go to the another one is switch. This is very, very important. These are 5 also important. If you learn properly how to write the syntax for all these if statement, if and else. Next we can go to the switch. Some of this is tricky one and very interesting topic also. Now I'm going to switch statement. It is also known as multiple branching statement. It is also known as multiple branch. Okay, now in the switch you are going to write different programs in the different cases. What are these cases? I'm going to explain now. In other cases, one case one small program you can write on. Okay, that is also known as menu driven. You can take the menus. ಏನಪ್ಪ menu andre now we'll enter into the any hotel or any, you'll get the different starters. First menu irutte starters. Adadmele food irutte. You're going to take which is the first starter, option 1, and starter 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ an option ಬರುತ್ತೆ. That we can discuss. Okay, how to write the switch? What is the syntax for writing the switch, right? Syntax is it's quite easy. We are going to take the input. I'm going to take the input as integer. Integer means number without decimal point. I will take integer and I will take day. What is this day? Now I'm going to explain simple program example. In the number weekly ಎಷ್ಟು days ಇದೆ? You can take first day is Monday means 1, 2, 3, as you know 7 days, right? I will take one means you will give the input as one means it's going to print Monday, two Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is the last day. Okay, if you give 8, that is a wrong input, right? Okay, that we can discuss. Okay, I'm going to give int, and you are going to write switch. This is very good. Switch is the keyword. Inside that, you are going to give the which is the input you are giving. Here I am going to giving in day. That is input, and you must enter and write on. Here you are going to write case one, then not semicolon, colon. And you're going to, okay. Switch, I will explain the program, then you can understand. In the theory, that is not switch. Switch. Now, why it is coming red color here? It is a keyword. So you don't take a keyword as a class name. That is also you don't. Switch state, I will take. Control A, Control C, I will take because I will take that one as a class name. Public class name. I just pasted here. Next, public static void main and the string args. Shit, the rocks are big args. Okay, now I'm going to take the integer is day. Day is equal to randomly I'll take any values you can take. These are programs you can do in the scanner class also. But I will do the scanner class program, all these programs starting from this one. In the one class I will know session, I will take out is the scanner class. Both in here, this is direct initialization. Scanner class means we are going to take the input in the output screen. Okay, we are going to write on package for scanner class, the different package, and you can extract that package. In that, you are going to extract on class, and you can for that class you are going to write on method, and you can access the data in the output screen. Got it? Okay, I'm going to write switch. The switch. What is the input? Day, right? Now I'm going to write case one. Case is the label. Case one. I have taken one because day I have taken. What is the data type? It is integer. Okay. Now that you're going to write system out dot print ln one model ಸಾಕು ಆಮೇಲೆ just you can Monday. Now we are going to use the one break statement. Sir, why you are using the break? Till now we are not using the break. Break statement is used to why you are using break means if it is successful, you get the successful output, you can come out of that loop, come out of that block. No need to again and again search. Okay, I will explain how to do that. Case one, case two. I hope you are getting this. Okay, what is the case two? Case two andre Monday that is Tuesday, right? Tuesday. And the case three, these are all the input. I have taken day number, right? Tuesday, Wednesday, next is fourth day is Thursday. Next one is fifth day is Friday, day before the Saturday. Jolly day. Jolly. Sixth. Six. Saturday. Saturday is half day. Right? And jolly day is Sunday. Sunday. Okay. Next is okay, 7 up to 7 days I've taken. If it is 8 or 10 or 20, you will give means that you can write it in default. Default is for wrong input. You can write system out println No, that is not break record because of the last statement. Now, terminal window. Tuesday. Why it is Tuesday? I have taken input as 2, right? If it is first 7, 7 means that is Sunday, right? Click on the compile. Any class compile, no syntax error. And now here, you instead of semicolon, a colon but semicolon put now click on the compiler. It will show the error, right? It is colon. Hmm? Don't confuse because getting any errors. I purposely have given the show how to do the error. Now, so what is the output you should get it? Sunday, right? Okay. Now it is the wrong input. If you give 25, yes, it is going to give wrong day. All right. Now I'm going to break na ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Break remove ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. We'll get another one condition dangling if dangling statement. Now I will take input today is 5. Click on the company. So according to this, it will go to the. It's going to print ಯಾವ day ಇದಾಗಬೇಕು, Friday ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? Now what is the output? You will get it. Check it. It is coming Friday only, right? So okay. Break use ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿದೆ. Friday ಬೇಡ. Second. We'll take it as 2. Now it is coming Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Now I will explain. This is the reality. You should understand the topics. It is coming day is 2, right? It is taking. It is going to print Tuesday. It is going to take Wednesday. It is going to take up to Thursday. You should print only Tuesday. We are not using the break, right? Now, if I am going to take all these things, break. Now, click on the compile and take the input as 1. Now, compile. You can run the program. It's going to printing starting from Monday, Tuesday up to Saturday. So what is the purpose of using the break? You understood. So break means after successful output, it is going to close. Break. Break is a jumping statement. Break and continue. That I will explain. Break and continue. And we know what is the meaning of break up and continue in general. It's not our topic. Okay, now I'm to take, is that 1, right? So 1 means what it is going to print? Monday. Monday. Correct. So without using, there is not a dangling on the statement. You are not using that one is one is without using the break means that one situation it will come. Got it? So these are all the topics today I have explained. If else and not if and only if, and what is the other one? Nested if and switch statement. Correct. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, you can share me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.